Did you know that one Roblox player spent 6 months pretending to be evil to save hundreds of servers from total destruction? Meet Alex, a hero who discovered the Shadow Clan's terrible plan. They wanted to destroy every popular server on the same day. To stop them, Alex had to join the clan and act like a real griefer. At first, Alex hated breaking things and being mean to other players. But as weeks passed, something scary happened. Alex started enjoying the power and chaos. The fake evil personality was becoming real. Deep inside the clan, Alex learned their leader was once a good builder. Griefers had destroyed his work, turning him into the monster he fought against. Now he wanted revenge on everyone. As the attack day approached, Alex faced an impossible choice: save the servers and lose the power they now loved, or stay evil forever and let hundreds of communities die. The old Alex wanted to be a hero, but the new Alex liked being feared. Which side would win when the moment came to decide?